The 2D patch object is another 2D object. And when we drag it down into the scene tree, it looks just like a rectangle. So if we click in the editor, we have an option near the bottom of our editor window here with a bunch of numbers. And if I adjust these numbers, you can kind of see how it's affecting our 2D patch. Now the 2D patch allows you basically to create your own shape out of this rectangle. And to do this, you may not want to use all of these numbers down here. So there is an interactive mode. And if we turn this on, we get these handles within our 2D patch. When you want to adjust these handles, you must have the E button below the trash can enabled. This enables the scripts so that if we now click on each handle within our 2D patch, we can drag these to where we want them to go. There's also an option to control the point size, so if you want to increase the point size of your handles, you can as well. Now when you are making a shape, a curved shape with this 2D patch, you notice as you drag it around, some of the curves look a little jagged. So if you kind of want to smooth the curves out, the X number of intervals and the Y number of intervals, increasing that will kind of increase or make your smooth path a little bit smoother.